Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we have this equation and we're looking to find p in terms of m and r and n. So this is a pretty complicated equation, not because of the actual operations that are being held, but there's a lot of numbers and variables and all that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, r over 1200, I'm going to set that equal to a. 1 plus r over 1200 to the n, I'm going to set that equal to b. So therefore, our equation is m is equal to r over 1200 is a, times 1 plus r over 1200 to the n, that's b, over 1 plus r over 1200 to the n, that's b again, minus 1. And this is times p. Now we're trying to solve for p. This is a lot easier, and then once we get to the end, we can plug these values back in. So how do we want to get p alone? Well, if we get rid of this denominator, if we can make this a little bit clearer, when I get rid of this denominator, we can multiply both sides by b minus 1, because this will cancel, and we're left with m times b minus 1 is equal to abp. So, again, we want to get p on its own, so if we divide by ab, these cancel, and we're left with p is equal to m times b minus 1 over ab. Now, we don't want it in terms of a and b, we want it in terms of these, so plugging in one more time, writing down here, if p is equal to m, stays the same, times b we said was 1 plus r over 1200 to the n, minus 1, divided by a is r over 1200, times b is 1 plus r over 1200 to the n. And this is your final equation. And you will notice that this corresponds with B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.